to control fire. I'm going to turn around this camera. Carefully. I've put a flash light and I'm putting the cell phone straight. Then I'm going to use this how to correct lenses. Right now my window is open, so the noise from outside is creating. Oops. There is this lighter that you can pull off the you can pull off this torch lights out of it so that children can use it without holding the lighter. So this lighter is very versatile. You can see it. In the daytime I will show more of it. Ow! Startup City, Boa speaking. We can create various kinds of light illusions. Startup City, Boa speaking. Television was made in a box, and somebody from the other side was busy using fire to create the illusions, and then they put a glass on the front, and like this glass, for instance. You can make various effects in light. Startup City, Boa speaking. I'm going to be making pickled onions and pickled tomatoes today, as well as pickled butter pears for preservation. Yeah? Startup City, Boa speaking.